Hey, hi, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, especially we are talking about this case on macOS, especially Apple Silicon. Bit slash stdc++ does not exist by default. Apple users use C-line, not GCC, but comparative programmers still want it, right? So, let's see how we can add it to manually in the macOS. So, and also one more thing, this does not turn C-line into GCC while comparing. So, we are using C-line only again. So, let's start the procedure. Okay. So let's see if we can run this code. We can't able to run this code, right? Because it says like bit slash stdc++ does not exist in the local. So let's try to verify how can we add it to this local. So this is the path exactly where the files of this compilation codes will be existed. So let's see. So it's under user slash local slash include. So here the files related to this compilation will be included. So we need to create a folder called bits here. For this, we need to use sudo code. Then after here, we need to enter our password because sudo is an admin access. Now, we need to create this file called stdc++.h, which contains whatever the inputs are related to that C++ or C will be existed. So basically, bit slash stdc++ is an file where it contains all kinds of input, like includes and also libraries, like include libraries, and also that using namespace std as well. Let's create that file using these commands. I will tag to this YouTube description also, and also I will provide you the GitHub link where you can find this stdc++ file and also this commands to use. Now we are able to access that stdc++.h file that we have created, and also I will tag you this GitHub link where you can see this file which contains contents of this stdc++.h. So you just need to copy those files and you need to paste it here. After that, you need to save this file. So for that, you need to enter colon WQ and press enter. So that will save the files. And now you need to compile the C++ again. So let's verify it again. If you can see, the C++ content is able to compile, and also you can see the output also there. But we haven't changed the compiler like from GCC. We are still using the C-Lang only from the MacBook. And also try to verify this other C++ code that we have written for the vector space, because bit slash std++ includes every library, right? Yeah, that's it. So